everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I offer small business tips and advice, and today I'm going to be talking about Etsy shipping profiles. And I'm going to be on my computer so you can follow along with me. Okay, and then from here, it doesn't really matter which listing you choose because you can select what listings you want it to apply to, the shipping profile. So just click any listing really, and then we're going to scroll down. It's lagging. Okay, sorry guys. Yeah, so we just want to scroll all the way down until we get to shipping. And then from shipping, as you can see, I already have my shipping profiles that I've already set up. But I'm going to, again, show you how to do it from scratch. So we're going to click on Enter Custom Shipping Options. And then from here, you just want to decide what, battery's dying already. You just want to decide which listing this is going to be for. So let's say I'm trying to make a listing for stickers, which means I have to change this to fixed prices manually. And the reason I have to do that is because Etsy for some reason won't recognize the letter option when it comes to plugging it in here. So I have to do it manually. If you guys want to know how to do that, and you haven't seen my video, I'll have it linked somewhere up here about how to ship stickers for only 57 cents. Well, right now it's 63 cents because Etsy raised it, but this includes tracking. Okay, so this is the first one I'm going to show you. So I'm basically going to show you two types. So one for fixed and another for calculate. But you can do as many shipping profiles as you want depending on what you sell, because I know certain products way different, so obviously you're going to need different types of shipping profiles. So this one is going to be for stickers or lightweight objects. So for me that would be stickers, bookmarks, yeah, I think that's the only thing I can think of. Buttons too, certain buttons I can ship using this option. So we're going to start with, again, changing this to fixed prices. And then for me, this is correct United States, country of origin, and then my zip code. And then processing time. This is basically how many days you want or need in order to complete the order. So for stickers, I don't really need that many because I usually print them out and have them ready to go. So I would put probably 1 to 2 business days. And then down here, I don't ship international anymore, so I would just remove this entirely and just have United States. And then here, I would put first class because I am shipping first class. It's just a little different. For me, I do charge. I just charge 95 cents and then about 20 cents for any additional item. And then, I don't really add a shipping upgrades for my stickers because I don't like having my stickers, or I don't like having the shipping cost more than my stickers, so I don't offer this, but you can if you want to. And then you would go on save, and then you would just name it. So for me, I like to be very specific when it comes to naming my shipping profile, so for me, I would name this probably stickers or letter, so that way I know this is a letter option. And then you would just create the profile. Okay, so that's one shipping profile, which is fixed. And now I'm going to show you how to do the one which is for calculate shipping prices. So change this to calculate. And that's the same. So for me, I'm going to pretend this is my journals. For an example. So for journals, I probably need more than 1 to 2 business days, because it is like a custom type of listing. So I'll probably do, and this is where you can customize for your own shop. So I don't really like these, like I want something in the middle of these two, so I'm going to click custom range. So I'm going to do about 2 to like 4 days. 2 to 4 business days is a good amount for me. And then We're going to edit this, and we're going to uncheck all countries, which basically puts it to United States. And then shipping service. So here, since these aren't stickers, I will include priority mail, which is a faster shipping speed. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do priority mail and USPS first class. Again, I don't do international. I don't even know why these are even checked, since I already checked it off. But anyways, and then advanced shipping services. This is for things like, for me, I sell custom stuff, so things I create, but there are sellers who sell like vintage things. So let's say you have like a vintage book. You could use USPS Media Mail because those are for books that you can ship things that are books. And this is Media Mail. It's a little slower than like first class, but it is much, much cheaper. And you can ship things that are heavier for a lot cheaper. So if you have that as an option, I would suggest using Media Mail. But I don't, so we're going to leave those unchecked. And then here, if you wanted to include free shipping, you could. I personally don't. And then, yeah, so you would just save this as a shipping profile, but because this is not a fixed item, I would put the correct ounces. So my journals are about 16 ounces. So, pound. And then from there, I would again save as a shipping profile. And for this, I would call them journals. And yeah, I already created a shipping profile for my journal, so that's why it's telling me that I already have a name with it, but that's how you would do that. And you can basically do this for every type of different listing you have. If you sell, things that are really different to each other, like for me, I sell stickers and bookmarks, which are very cheap to ship, but I also sell things like journals, tote bags that are heavier, so I would need a different shipping profile for that. And that's why these come in handy, so you don't have to, change every single listing. So we're gonna go ahead and cancel this. But the cool thing is that once you have that shipping profile set up, you can go to like a similar listing and just choose whichever it corresponds to. And that way you don't have to plug in all those numbers every time you make a new listing. And then if there is a slight variation to the ounces, you can just change that down here. But all the information that you plugged in prior to making this listing is already set up for you, and you would just have to pick that shipping profile. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any other questions for me, please be sure to leave them in the comment sections, and please be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys later.